So our next topic is whenever you see price action candle trading inside CPR, that is wide CPR, then what you should do. Okay, in our previous slides, I told you have to open Nifty 50 indices and Bank Nifty indices. So whenever you see such pattern in Nifty 50 indices or Bank Nifty indices or both of them, then consider this as no trading day for people who are buying options. And why we are saying this? Whenever you see a wide CPR and price candles inside them, the movement of price candles will not be in a certain direction because of closed circuit price action, closed circuit support and resistance, and because of the close proximity of support and resistance, the price action candles could not go either side and thus giving a sideways trend. One more concept you need to understand: if you see this pattern either in Nifty or Bank Nifty, if you see in both of them, that is even better, but if you see only in Nifty and not in Bank Nifty, or vice versa, in Bank Nifty and not in Nifty, consider this also as no trading day for people who are buying options, because there is one more concept which we will be touching in our coming slides, but right now I want to tell you this to make it clear. Nifty and Bank Nifty, they both work in synchronicity. And what do I mean by that? It means whatever one will do, the other will follow. So even if for example, Bank Nifty doesn't have the price candles inside the CPR, but Nifty does, the effect of Nifty will be visible in Bank Nifty. We will understand this deeply. However, right now the concept to understand is whenever you see such patterns in Nifty, Bank Nifty or both, avoid trading on that day, especially for people who are buying options in Nifty or Bank Nifty. However, it is a very good day for people who are doing option selling, because here theta will come in effect. What is theta? Theta is nothing but time decay. This we will understand in our option chapter. So this is the concept you have to understand right now. Now this slide is an extension of what we have already discussed when the price action candles are inside CPR. Here it is a bit different because market actually started with a gap down, and from here it moved and went inside. So please understand this concept. It was going in a certain direction, upside or downside. In this, it was going upside, but as soon as the price action candle entered inside a wide CPR, it started behaving zigzag, which we discussed. This trend will follow unless and until the price action candle comes out. In this scenario, it stayed there almost for 4 hours. Do you think it is necessary to wait for 4 hours? Whenever you see such pattern, just leave. Don't trade on that day. It is not necessary to trade every day. Have good few trades and then close the chapter. We will discuss this. However, the concept to understand here is whenever you see price action candles inside wide CPR, don't do it unless you're option seller. We'll talk about it.